Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on SMCI ticker symbol just a couple of days ago, as you can see on March the 2nd. And I told you that we were in the formation, we were in the symmetrical triangle, and this triangle usually happens in the fourth wave, and we have to see the breakout to the upside that potentially will lead to the ending fifth wave. And for now, we have this breakout and we broke even this previous swing high, and I have to admit that this price action was expectable, but definitely we have some downsides of this movement. And everything I will show you in just several minutes. And guys, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and to join my Patreon account, where for the $35 a month you will be able to drastically enhance your trading skills. On top of that, for the first 100 subscribers I will do a giveaway. I will do a technical analysis based on your request on any asset that you might find. So it is quite fair deal.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And let's continue with its price action again. As you can see, I identified that we were in the consolidation phase right after this massive movement to the upside that potentially formed the third wave, internal third wave. And you know that according to Elliott wave theory, we have to have 5-wave structure, and right after that we have to have some major retracement. And this formation that I identified as a symmetrical triangle, and I told you that usually these type of formations break to the upside, and we have this breakout. On top of that, guys, the confirmation of this breakout is this quite significant volume, and we are on the path, potentially we are on the path to complete the fifth wave. And the most probable target is 0.786. If I pull the Fib retracement tool from this bottom to this top and to the bottom of the retracement. And we didn't hit it, but we are on its way to this point. So what should we expect next from the technical standpoint? I will show you in just several minutes. And for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. First of all, we don't have a lot of news. If you type in Google search bar SMCI stock and switch to news tab folder, you will not find any more recent news directly related to this asset. The most recent one is still the same, that Supermicro Computers was added to the S&P 500 list, and definitely this was the news that drove its price higher from this point. And for now we don't have any news, and on top of that we have a new coverage initial coverage from the Goldman Sachs group that was made just yesterday, and they set a price target at the level of $941, which is only, let's put it this way, less than 4% of upside potential. And that is why, guys, the most recent update shows you, well, the potential closest price target, because it consists all the recent data and it consists all the recent movements of the price for the underlying asset. That is why we have to be cautious with its next potential lag. On top of that, if you take a look on appwisdom.io website, and this website tracks the activity of the Wall Street Bets community in regards to the certain assets, and we still have SMCI ticker symbol on the second place right after Nvidia, and it gained about 136% of additional mentions during last 24 hours. And guys, let's continue with the technical analysis. But before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let's take a look on the price action, and let's compare its price action with Nvidia price. So if I add the Nvidia price action on this price chart, you can see that we have a lot of similarities. When Nvidia goes to the upside, SMCI ticker symbol also follows Nvidia's price movement. Then, as you can see at this very point, when Nvidia had the retracement, SMCI ticker symbol also had this quite harsh decrease in its price. And right after that, we have a V-shaped correction. And this movement also confirms that SMCI ticker symbol is following the NVIDIA stock. And that is why, guys, you have to watch the video that I made on NVIDIA stock, and you will find that we are about to hit its highest point. We were at the fifth wave as well as we are right now with the SMCI ticker symbol. That is why you have to be cautious. But if you entered your position somewhere in this formation, you have to put your stop loss on the green territory. And in this case, if this asset goes lower, and theoretically we still have the chance that right after this breakout, as you can see, we have this breakout, then we have a retracement. If it breaks again the top of our third wave, at the price point of roughly, well, we are at this price point right now, and we have to keep an eye on this movement. If it breaks it to the downside, definitely it will be not the best sign from the bull standpoint, and that is why you have to be cautious with your long position. To be honest, I have to admit that if the asset gained, let me delete NVIDIA price action. Let's switch to daily time frame, and let me show you its price action without any drawing tools. If the asset gained during just a couple of months about 360% to its value, most likely we have to see some kind of cool down. And guys, take a look on this most recent candle. It is not the best candle, it is a shooting star. And on top of that, it has quite significant volume. And this candle, to be honest, is quite bearish. That is why I have some doubts that we might see the trend continuation to the upside. And I do this update in order to show you the potential movement of certain assets. And technical analysis is not a way how you can guarantee the price of the asset that you trying to evaluate. But it is the set of pros and cons, and it is always the game of probability. And for now, we have not so much chances to hit higher targets because of the overheating market in general, overheating the AI market in particular, and overheating its last movement to the upside. That is why, guys, especially if you take a look on the weekly time frames, you can see even more bearish candles, and monthly time frame is also had a quite harsh movement with extremely high level of RSI on 92.8 points. Let's take a look on RSI on weekly time frame. Yes, we also have 93.57 points. And this is not the best point where you can add to your long position. That is why, guys, I think you have to be cautious. If you haven't entered your position, your long position with this asset, don't do it. And if you enter it on my previous video, put your stop loss on a green territory. In this case, you will not lose any money at all. And to be honest, I expect the movement to the downside. That is why stay aside from any trades on this asset, and wait for my next video. And if you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and drop me a line in the comment section. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants you.